Welcome to PumpSpy's silent check valve installation video. Start by uninstalling your existing check valve. Ensure you have a 5 1/8 inch gap in your discharge pipe. Cut the discharge pipe if necessary. Then, take the PumpSpy silent check valve and connect each rubber coupling to the discharge pipe. Using a standard screwdriver, tighten each hose clamp to secure the silent check valve to the discharge pipe. Water hammer noise will be a thing of the past thanks to the PumpSpy silent check valve.